Perry been shooting.
Okay, so we're getting ready to head out. The truck is already packed and ready to go. We're just getting some last minute touches. Alright, y'all, we just got to Alabama and we're just stopping for gas. We have probably like 10 or 9 more hours to go before we get to Houston. I'm so excited. I'm just ready to get there, unload, and just relax. Like it's been a long week. So we're about to finish pumping gas and head back on the road. So I'll chat back with you guys. Walk in, of course, it's the front door, and then I have a whole foyer section that I'm definitely thinking about putting like two chairs, like a chair here, chair there, and a table, but it's very big as soon as you walk in. Ceilings are high. It just looks so good. And then when you first come in and you turn to your left, this is the living room section. Very spacious. Of course, ceilings are high, ceiling fan, definitely need that. And then I have some shelves on both sides. So I have like an arc and then 2 shelves, which I think is gorgeous. And then a wall where I'm not sure if I'm going to mount my TV or if I'm just going to place it like on a TV stand, but I'm still deciding. So then we get to the kitchen, which is one of my favorite parts of the house. We have the granite countertops, white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, which I need, y'all. Let me start this ice maker. I guess I started from up here. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. But I needed this, needed it. Stainless steel dishwasher. Lots and lots of cabinet space. Love this sink. Love it how it's 2 because that definitely comes in handy. But I love the color of that. Love the backsplash. And then we have our dining room area, which I'm so happy that I have a dining room area and I have a living room space separate because I did not want anything joined in at all. Like everything had to be separate. So then after that, we get to the master room. This is the master room. Way bigger than my first apartment and my last room. And then we get to the closet, which, oh my gosh, this is probably the biggest, not even probably, this is the biggest closet I've ever had. So spacious and so big. Like I have so much stuff, business stuff, my own stuff. So that closet was much needed. Ceiling fan, of course, because why not? Must have. And then from my room, you can go into the bathroom. And I also have a laundry room section. So this whole section is for the laundry room. So washer and dryer came with that. Thank God I didn't have to get that. some shelving up here, and then I have a garden tub, white. I love the white with this like dark brown mixed with bronze. It's just, it's giving what it's supposed to give, okay? Some more granite countertops in here. These must be like those noise control cabinets. And then we have, of course, so beautiful and so sleek. I love it. And this is my mirror. Yes, bathroom, the toilet's right here. And then over here we have some more not cabinets, pantry spacing needed.
Still.
And then my favorite part of the house, the study area. And I love how huge it is. I needed this. Like, I was not gonna get an apartment unless it had this, because when I say y'all, I have so much stuff and so many things I do on the computer. That's all my work consists of, the computer. So I needed this. God is good. There's some more pantry, the bathroom. But now we make our way back to the foyer.